Hi friends, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm gonna evaluate an essay sent by a student in response to IELTS task 2. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe because I regularly upload videos, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel absolutely free to ask. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, what happens in IELTS examination, especially in the writing section, when we come back we set an expectation based on our self evaluation of our performance, but in case we don't get near to that, we think a lot like where exactly we went wrong, how we can improve in a better way, and a lot of other things. Of course that makes sense. So how we are actually gonna go through it, how we are actually gonna check what exactly we are writing. So for that I have published this video. Watch this till the end. So the very first thing guys, like the student has sent me in this format, but when you practice, use a pencil, so that there are a lot of errors that you can just wipe out if you revise before you submit your paper, and if you write it with a pencil it's very easy to change it. So always use a pencil and then modify if required. So I'm gonna evaluate this essay and I'm gonna do the evaluation word by word, and I'm gonna tell you how to even improve. So the statement here is the growth of online shopping will one day lead to all shops in cities and towns closing. Uh, okay, let's see the response. During the 21st century, the use of advanced technological tool has transformed the lives of human being to a whole new level. What do you think? Definitely this is not a good way. We can frame it in a better way. During the 21st century, the usage of advanced technological tools, there is not only one tool, there are multiple tools, and if you write tool, it should be it should be like an advanced technological tool, because you need to consider grammar, you cannot omit articles, so make it tools. The usage or the use has transformed the lives of human beings, or the life of a human being, and you have written the lives of human being, the lives of human beings. Grammatically it has to be correct, to a whole new level. Moreover, with the emergence of the internet and other Microsoft softwares, why do we have this here? It made it possible for people to communicate with any person from around the globe. Also, the web-based technologies created an innovative ways. What is this? An innovative way where individuals could work, participate in international competitions, or purchase any desired product. This is absolutely very poor piece of writing. Unnecessarily, she has combined a few sentences together with a lot of loose ends and a lot of errors. Absolutely, this is not at all a good way of writing. This is absolutely poor. She needs to work hard on her grammar. This is not at all good. She needs to work hard on her grammar, structure, articles. She has a lot of scope for improvement. Alright, let's proceed. This latter can be conveyed through online shops, which are very trending nowadays. In my opinion, although distant shopping is very popular, it cannot expunge street shops because the value they obtain to customers. I mean, can you imagine what exactly is the meaning of this sentence? Of course, no. I mean, what value? Doesn't make any sense. So, this is absolutely not even clear. To embark on that, but yeah, she has used fancy words. Probably she wants to show her vocabulary. Okay, you are allowed to, but make sure you don't play with the meaning and structure. To embark on that, many individuals detest utilizing online websites to purchase any sort of goods because they assume that several online shops sell products that are counterfeited and has no value in the fashion world. Now tell me one thing. Why has that are plural? Why singular here? And have no value in the fashion world. Very simple. Furthermore, there is also the possibility of getting robbed by thieves and con men through fake online accounts. First of all, con men, and this is not a good way to write. This is not a formal word that I would suggest anybody to write. Through fake online accounts, since there are individuals who are professional and skilled in these areas. So like when you use words professional, skill, you basically use them in positive meanings. If you use them for thieves, it's not grammatically incorrect, but it doesn't look good. For instance, I recall that one of my previous teachers, not teacher, this girl needs to work very hard, got robbed by an online supermarket that sells shoes, and she even paid for them. However, she did not receive anything. Additionally, great companies tend to open their shops in the center of towns and cities around the world as they are eager to make their brands even more eminent. These types of shops have a significant value to its clients as they work to transport and personally deliver a high quality of clothes which could be tailored specially for them. Well, this looks like translation problem, like probably she is thinking something in her own mind, and then from her mother tongue she is trying to translate, but this has made this essay catastrophic. Finally, we cannot deny the substantial role of online marketing world as it has many benefits in the life of individuals. However, it also has many drawbacks that any person should be aware of in order to avoid them. Personally, a hybrid lifestyle where any person could use online shopping applications and traditional and antique should be antique. My god, I don't know what was going on in her mind. One should be the aim of any organization in order to cope with the difference in the person's preferences. Difference you're talking about. So preference. Definitely this was a very poor piece of writing. Even meaning itself hasn't been conveyed well. I cannot put more than 5 for this essay. I don't have any tool to tell you exactly how much this will deserve, but definitely not more than 5 or 5.5. It's even hard to get 6. So that's how you should evaluate yourself, like word by word, and you need to improve several areas, in fact all the areas. So I hope you like this video. Make sure give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel absolutely free to ask. Alright guys, thank you.